Hi, my name is Easton Vanover. I'm a member of Wise County 4-H, and today I'm going to show you how to build some cool STEM activities. Alright, so for today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crazy kite. And the materials you should have in your kit for this is an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of construction paper, some sticky dots, a straw, not a bendy one, just a regular straw, scissors, and some string, and some scotch tape. Okay, so the first step, what we're going to need to do is we need to take, I've already labeled mine corner A right here and B right here. And the first step, we're just going to fold A to B. Just like so. Make sure it's all lined up. And then make your crease. Okay. So here we go with step one. I might do this a little bit different here. Okay. So now after we've made our crease, and this is actually, the first steps are very similar to making a paper airplane. If you ever made a paper airplane, you'll understand. So now all we're going to do is this little excess piece of strip, we're going to cut this off. And after you cut this off, well, first, be mindful, be safe with the scissors. They are sharp and they can't cut you. But after you cut this piece of paper off, you don't want to just toss it away because you're going to need it for future steps. But for now, just cutting this. Okay. So we're just going to set this off to the side because we will need this. So now, what we're going to do, folding it up, we're just going to take, and this is the open side, we're just going to take both of these corners and just fold them to the crease. Just go one at a time here, so just line it up, and make sure on these you really want to get it lined up because that's going to be very important for making the kite fly in a well manner. So try to get it lined up as best as you can. I'm kind of struggling myself, but it's alright. Before you get the crease it. And then just repeat for the other side. Now take corner A, do the same thing. Okay, so now that we've made this, we turn it over just like we have been with all the other ones. We're just gonna fold it back to the crease. Just like this. Try to go the other way, just like this. Now we've got it all lined up, crease it down, and repeat with the other side. It's gonna make our kite fly real well. Alright. That one tad far. Okay, now that we've completed the first step of our kite, what we want to do is take these little sticky dots right here and just place them on our corners. So, always like green for our 4-H, but since our paper airplane's green, I'm going to start off with some pink, because who doesn't like pink, right? So we're just gonna take our pink and we're gonna start on this edge. So we're just gonna put our sticky dot right there. And we're gonna repeat for the other side as well. Just put it on the edge. Other side, do the same thing. Okay, we have one last one we have to do, and that's at the bottom of our kite, and we'll do those in yellow. So, repeat for the other side. doing this with me. I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Okay, so now we got it. See, on both sides we have all our sticky dots. Alright, so now we need to punch holes in them. We'll be real careful. I'm gonna get it. And I'm just going to poke a hole, and I got that one a little far up. Try to get as close to the middle as you can. And what this is doing is creating holes for our string to come through for our kite. So in each of the holes, just gonna punch holes. And you can decorate your kite however you see fit. I'm just doing green, but okay. So now what we need to do is we're gonna start at the end. So we're gonna go ahead and make our tail, and this is where this piece of paper really helps out. So I'm gonna use a ruler and kind of eyeball 1/2 inch here. We've been doing 1/2 inch strips, and do 1/2 inch or a full inch. So now I kind of know it's about right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 1/2 inch here. So now that we have our 4 pieces, you're supposed to cut 4 1/2 inch pieces. We're going to take another sticky dot, and this will be our piece. We'll choose this one as our piece that attaches to the tail of our kite. So we're going to take another sticky dot. I'm going to use pink, and we're just kind of do a 1/2 inch or a 1/2 dot, not a 1/2 inch, 1/2 dot. So we're going to do it on both sides, just like so. Crease it over to the other side, and then we're going to punch a hole in it. And whenever you're doing this, you want to be sure that you punch far enough that it's not cutting off the edge of your strip, because then you'll have nothing to tie to. So here, we're going to tie loosely our tail to the bottom of our kite. Okay, so you can see our tail has a little bit of breathing room here, but it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, now I'm going to cut this little excess. I call this tag line in fishing, but I'm just going to cut this little excess line like so. And so now with our tail, we're going to take our other 3 strips and we're going to tape them together as well. So taking this Scotch tape here, just a little bit, just going to tape it together. A little more crease. You can see we have our little tail. Can't really see the whole thing. Okay, so now what we're going to do, moving back to the main part of the line, we're going to tie it together. What we need is our string. We're also going to use a straw, because this is going to give the kite a lot more stability and it's going to make it better to fly. So what we're going to do is we're going to just run our string through the hole. And make sure the kite is turned like this when you're doing this. You need to run your line through the straw. Oh, mine fell out. Oh, sorry. Okay, now that I've run my line through the straw, I can run it through corner A. And then all we're gonna do is just tie it together with our main line and hand right here. So you can see I have my string. Fly your kite around. Thank you for watching.